Tallahassee, it is Cityside Car Grooming's 10th year anniversary. Car Wash Tallahassee. So, in order for them to celebrate this anniversary, they're giving to you, the customer, the one that needs their vehicle detailed, or the one that wants their husbands or their wives or even their child's vehicles detailed. It's gonna be detailed for only $35 with the gift certificate you purchased. So in order to get your vehicle detailed, a full detail, which includes a wax shampoo, leather condition, windows, door jambs, glove compartments, trunks, your tires shine and clean to perfection, all you have to do is get that gift certificate. Call them 850-345-4120. Now these gift certificates are only for the Tallahassee area and surrounding areas or counties. That includes Crawfordville, Quincy, Woodville, and Monticello. So again, call them at 850-345-4120 in celebration of their 10th year anniversary, which is in partnership with the ministry that they're owned by, Cityside Music Ministries. They also are giving you 10 albums from the new artist King Stevion. The album is entitled Trap Tide, and you will have that autographed by this artist. And matter of fact, he's gonna be there to detail your car with another featured artist. Now, if you don't know about King Stevion and the Cityside record label has sold over 1 million records in the last 3 years and have been nominated and won a ASCAP Publisher Award of 2014. Again, call them 850-345-4120, Cityside Car Grooming, also known as Car Wash Tallahassee, to get your vehicle detailed by getting your gift certificate.
Getting your gift certificate. Getting your gift certificate.